England has showed excellent performance and beat Swedish team by 2-0 in the quarter-finals, and after 28 years qualified for semi-finals. England supporters have celebrated England's win here in Birmingham as well.
It's coming home! It's coming home! It's coming! Football!
English supporters are very hopeful that if England team keep up the same performance, they have the best chance to bring World Cup home.
It's coming home. It's coming home.
I'm afraid it's definitely coming home now. Everyone knows it.
Tactically, I believe we outfought the Swedes. We had a game plan, and the bottom line is that what really demotivated the Swedes is they knew all along that it was coming home. Faith is on our side.
Comfortable. It's a comfortable win. Looking forward to the next one.
It's coming home. It's coming home.
Khabar Raja, Royal News, Birmingham.